Hello everybody. Welcome to another episode of Health and Happiness, where lifestyle tips and advice reign supreme. Today, we're going to be talking about how to get rid of a cold and cough in one day. Now, colds are never pleasant, and the last thing anyone wants is to feel run down. So, what can you do to get over a cold in a single day? First, drink lots and lots of fluids. This will help you to stay hydrated and flush out your system. Water and herbal teas with ginger, lemon, or honey are particularly helpful. Next, consider getting some rest. Sleep is hugely beneficial as it helps to boost your immunity and restore vitality. Try to get 8 hours of sleep if possible and don't rush into doing anything that's going to wear you out. After that, think about taking your vitamins.
Vitamins B6, C, D, and zinc are all great for fighting off colds and bolstering your defenses.
Your doctor can also advise you on what to take and when, so don't be afraid to ask. Finally, don't forget about using natural remedies. Lemon, honey, and ginger are all known for their healing properties. Turmeric and garlic are also great for fighting off colds. And, if the natural treatments don't work, consider looking into over-the-counter cold medications. All of us need to take care of our health and look after ourselves, so be sure to take these tips seriously and take action if you start to feel unwell. That's it for today's episode. I hope you found it helpful. Thanks for tuning in, and stay safe everyone. Until next time, stay happy and healthy.